Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. On today's menu, we have some ackee and saltfish, fried dumplings, fried plantains, and some good old cocoa tea. Here are my little groceries that I will be using to cook up this amazing breakfast. First, I'm going to put the saltfish or codfish to boil just to remove the excess salt. So hubby's going to knead the dough to make the fried dumpling. So to the flour he added some salt, he mixed it up, and then he added some water to make the dough. Knead, baby, knead. So normally I boil the saltfish 2 times. So this is the first one all done. So let's throw off the water and go and get a little small facial with the steam. Okay, pour some hot water on it and give it a second boil out. Baby, you're doing a good job. So the dumpling them almost done make. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour some oil in the pot. And just like that, the oil ready. So I'll be a dashing the flour them. So the second boil up is now complete. So dash off the water and put it down to cool. The dumplings are now ready to be turned. Some may I go cut up some niceness for putting to the ackee. Dumpling them look good. Nothing much, you know, the usual onion, sweet pepper, green onion, and some scallion. And here we have the beautifulness. The dumplings are all done. So take them out, we shall. And here we have them all beautiful and nice looking. So I'm gonna add a little pepper to my saltfish, not much. Okay, so may I work on my saltfish, and what I'm doing, I'm picking out all the bones that are in it and just, you know, picking it otherwise. Pick it up so that's the big old chunk now in the ackee. Okay, so let's saute these beautiful veggies for the ackee. That looks so pretty. So while that's being done, we're going to cut up the plantain to fry. We have to multitask, you know, so just stand up and watch your pot. So while that are going, you find something else to do, for make the cookings run faster, so we can hurry up and eat. Anybody out there who don't like fried plantain? I'm sure you have people who don't like fried plantain, but really and truly, what's not to like? It's so good. But then again, someone would say good is relative in terms of fried plantain, right? So to each them own. Okay, let's add the saltfish to the veggies. Mix up everything together. And cover it down for about 2 minutes. And fry up plantain time. So while they are going bubble, we are going to work on the ackee. So what I normally do is take off the paper before I start cutting the tin, so no paper can get caught up in my can opener. So the plantains are ready to be turned. And you can eat this just so by itself. Yeah man, this alone can't eat, but of course, I know this way I do. We look for ackee and saltfish. So here is our canned ackee. So one thing that I do to ensure that my ackee tastes amazing, I throw off the water that comes with the ackee in the tin, and then I pour boiling water on it to wash it off. Every drip of the water that was in it, me want it to come off of it. Drain it, and then I use that. Vibes fam, make sure say hot water you use, do it though. You will hear some people say, oh, the canned ackee no tastes good. Just do this. Make sure you wash off whatever will come in there. It tastes just the same. Okay, plantains basically ready. So add the ackee to the saltfish and add a niceness. And give it a stir. Add some black pepper and just like that, I'll eat that. Cover him down, make him go and cook little. So today I'm going to have some cocoa tea with my nice breakfast. So I'm adding some cocoa to my cup. I end up and did add 1 more spoon. Add my regular coffee creamer. So this is like the original. And then I added some French vanilla coffee creamer. Vibes from this and the hazelnut are my fave. And no, I don't add no condensed milk or sugar or anything like that to my tea. I stopped doing that years ago. And the coffee creamer sweet all by itself. So yeah, that's the French vanilla one I mean though. This is all I need. So amazing. Magnifico. Here we have it, vibes fam. With nice ackee and salt fish. Big up yourself, Jamaica's national dish. Fried dumplings, courtesy of my awesome husband. And last but for sure not least, some very ripe, sweet, and ready to be consumed fried plantains. Oh my, the ackee look nice, man. The ackee looks so delicious. Oh, and of course, I can't leave out my cocoa-tea. But yeah, what a ackee look delicious. The whole thing sell off. Look good. And it tastes good too. When I tell you, say I can't tired of this meal, trust me, weekends are such an extra treat in our house because Obi normally whip up things like this on the weekend for breakfast, and I thoroughly enjoy them. Guys, comment down below and tell me what you normally have for breakfast, especially on a Sunday morning, you know. Thanks so much for hanging with me. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Please remember, subscribe. God bless you.